30 bucks, not bad. How much these Ultraboosts going for? 60 bucks, damn. What this is, it's the Alpha Bounce. It's a parlay. It's a parlay edition. So, you know, some of the threading that's used in here is made from recycled plastic. Got some more Pure Boost DPRs. I've never seen this. Called the Pure Boost Trainers. Pure Boost Trainers. These are the, what, size 9s? But look, yeah. Full length boost, guys. Full length boost. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're here for another video, you guys. Yeah, today we're checking out Ross, checking out Marshalls. We're trying to see if they got some crazy deals out there, you guys. So, yeah, let's go see what's up. Let's go find some steals, you guys. Find some steals. All right, we're hoping for steals at this Ross, you guys. Hope for steals at this Ross out in Valencia. Go check them out. Before I even made it to the shoes, I did check out their backpack section. Also perused around in the luggage area. Nothing. Really was nothing. Oh my goodness, I actually forgot how small their shoe section is. Holy crap. Damn, I'm really not expecting much of this one. At least the Marshalls around the corner is really hot. They usually got all kinds of stuff at that Marshalls. Alright, we got some Currys. I have no clue which number or which version this is, but yeah. White and blue, not bad. That baby blue looks kind of nice too. 10.5 is going for what, 50 bucks? Not bad. They got some more Currys. These are cute though. 40 bucks, size 12s. Yellow and blue, not bad. Golden State colorway, not bad. Everything's just kind of mixed up, huh? Yeah, we got some for you bigfooters right here. Size 18s. The Kobe AD size 18s. Let me back that camera. Shoes are so damn big. 40 bucks. 40 bucks, not bad. Alright, what are these? 10.5s again? Yeah, got some more. What are these? Are these Currys? Yeah, these are Currys, right? Yeah. Yeah, the SC in the back. I can do all things, apparently that's his logo. But yeah, the color is a little bright for me, but those don't look too bad. Those don't look too bad. Got some Chuck All-Stars, 9, size 9s. Yeah, I don't know how people pay 55 bucks for these, because that's the retail. 30 bucks, not bad. Some Marquee Boost. Damn, what size are these? Oh, they're big as hell, man. These are big as hell. Size 17. These look way bigger than those Kobe's back there. These go for 20 bucks. 20 bucks for you size 18 guys. We got some Vomero 13s. These are big as hell too. What size are these? Size 14s. Size 14s. It's only 45 bucks. Vomero 13s, not bad. Serious running shoes for you guys with huge feet that run. I got some Curry Lows. Size 8 Curry Lows. Baby blue. Not bad. Not bad. Damn, it looks like we're at the Under Armour outlet, man. They're cheaper than the Under Armour outlet too, because I've been there and the deals just aren't that great. 50 bucks. Got some more Currys. These are size 8.5s. Some Curry Lows. Some Curry Lows. And then you know what? We got our next pair of Curry Lows. Got our next pair right here. 50 bucks for the white, I guess, white and gray. Yeah, those aren't bad. The Currys are kind of starting to grow on me. I've always thought they were whatever, but not bad. All right, so this is their selection of gloves. No receiver gloves here. That's pretty much their shoe selection, you guys. They really don't have much here. I don't know how all these fools online find all these Vapor Maxes and all this heat. I don't know how they do it, because I've been to Ross like 20, 25 times, never found anything. All right, so I've been looking around. They ain't got nothing. Backpacks, jerseys, clothes, shoes.
Fool this man!
But look, I got these dope ass socks, man. Look at this, called Odd Socks. That is dope. That's dope. Bunch of bennies. Got a bunch of bennies on them. They got other ones too. A SpongeBob, I guess if you like those Kyrie SpongeBobs, got a pair of those, man. Throw those bad boys on. Look. Show fools you eat a balanced breakfast. Show motherfuckers that. Dope, you guys. Got pizza, Mexican food. Yeah, these ain't bad. Try fit socks for $5, $4. It's not bad. Kind of want these, but I kind of don't want to stand in line, so fuck it. Yeah, we're just gonna throw it back. But that is dope. I would like to wear these with one of my dope new shoes. Let's check out this Marshalls, you guys. Check out this Marshalls. Alright, so this Marshalls does have a decent shoe section. I haven't been here in a while, to be honest with you. But yeah, they do have a pretty decent shoe section. I think got these Ultraboost. Oh, damn. How much these Ultraboost going for? $60, damn. Ultraboost for $60. Laceless Ultraboost, no laces, they're whites. See what size they got them in. 8.5, 9.5, and 9.5. Not bad. So I'm not the hugest fan of the laceless, but damn, for $60, that how much was it? $59.99. Yeah, that is the cheapest Ultraboost I've ever seen. I think before this at the Adidas outlet earlier this week, I did find them for $63, I think, $62. But yeah, not bad. Full box and everything. Got some Pure Boost DPRs. Supposedly really good for running. I do have a pair of these, but I've never ran in them because I'm lazy and I should go running a lot more. But yeah, $50. $50. Got anywhere from 8.5, 9.5, 13s. Got a few different sizes. Continentals, all right, not bad. Not bad. We got some Continentals, $40. Gray colorway, gray and was that light blue? Got a few different sizes. 9 and 11. Actually, a couple different sizes. 9 and 11. We got some Marquise Boost lows. What size is this one? These are 10.5. 10.5, you guys. So that probably means it's that one right there, and then they also have an 11.5. So only two sizes. Damn, if I had a 10, that'd be coming home with me if I had a 10. Dang, $35, man, that's crazy. Damn, they actually fit. They actually fit perfectly. Damn you, Marshalls, with their sick deals. We got to think about this. I promised myself I wouldn't just cop just to cop, but I don't know. I'm a big fan of these shoes. But I have some Marquise Boosts, and I haven't been wearing them that much, so, you know. Have to think about it. I got some Under Armour hovers. I know this is supposed to be like the latest and greatest cushioning technology. I don't know much about these, though. I don't know. Have you guys ever tried these? Let me know if you guys have rocked these. If you guys have any. Let me know. Let me know. $40. Got a few different pair too. 9, 9.5, 11. And let me know if you guys have tried those. We got some NMDs in the house. $50. Kind of a weird colorway though. But the upper on this feels super comfortable. Super comfortable, man. They got quite a few pairs too. 8, 10s, and 11s. Not bad. Not bad, you guys. Got some more Pure Boost DPRs. They don't even have a display, but I just happened to see a couple of Boost boxes. But yeah, $59. $59, not bad. I've never seen this. Called the Pure Boost Trainers. Pure Boost Trainers. These are the, what, size 9s? But look, yeah. Full length boost, guys. Full length boost. It's an important thing. But this is encased. Whenever Boost is encased, I wonder if it's the same. So yeah, let me know if you guys have ever tried these. These are going for $40. The Pure Boost Trainers. Have any of you guys had experience with that? I only see one box, size 9. I don't see any other ones. I do see some NMDs right next to it. $70. These go for 70. Got a couple different sizes. Have any of you guys tried this fake boost? It's called Energy. And I know this actually came out before Boost. They actually had this technology with BASF before Boost, but yeah, BASF kind of kicked them aside and chose Adidas instead. So it's actually the same technology. But yeah, same TPU beads, I think, or something. But these feel a hell of a lot harder, though. I don't know. Have you guys ever tried these? Let me know if you guys have tried the Puma Energy shoes. Let me know what you guys think about those. All right, we are in the clearance section, the men's clearance section for shoes. Hunting for deals. Because, yeah, it's either get some deals or you get nothing here. These Victor Cruises? To me, are these like I haven't been here in like 2-3 months, and I feel like these were here before. There's no price tag, but if you guys haven't been here that much, they also do this at Ross. They pretty much put the price on the bottom, so it looks like they're going $50. $50 for these Victor Cruz. I think they're size 11s. I have no clue what these are. Some sort of Under Armour, but look at this. It's like weird. There's actually holes in between the midsole. Weird. Trying to save weight, I guess. They're just, yeah, going for 35. Just chilling. Got some Zoom structures going for 39. I know these retail for pretty expensive.
Adriana,
Pretty
line
much,
3, please. Adriana, line 3.
I think these are very similar to the Pegasus, but they got a little more support, a little stiffer in the middle. But yeah, not bad. Pretty decent deal. Got some more Victor Cruises, different colorway. Size 11, different colorway. 9.5. Yeah, that suede on that is smooth. The suede on that is really smooth. I'm always surprised. Forget about that. There's some curries, some all blue curries. Not all blue, but looks like it's like Golden State colorway. $40. $40, not bad. Wow, I'm surprised to see this here, you guys. I don't know if you guys know what this is. It's the Alpha Bounce. It's a parlay. It's a parlay edition. So, you know, some of the threading that's used in here is made from recycled plastic. Because apparently that's what parlay does. Yeah, it is a collab. These are pretty sick. $40. Not bad. It's Alpha Bounce. I always talk trash about Alpha Bounce, but it does seem pretty cushiony. Not bad. So they got a couple size 7.5s. So not bad. And on top of that, they got some. Are these the same ones you had earlier? No, these are the Pure Boost DPRs. Size 8. Size 8. No price tag on. Oh wait, yeah, price tag's gone. Let's see if they wrote. Yeah, they wrote down here. $60, I guess. $60. So usually that's about $59.99. Not bad. Oh wait, they got another one right here. Oh, 54. Yeah, it was $59.99. They moved it to 54. Not bad. No gloves. I don't know about some of you guys, but the receiving gloves and football receiving gloves, huge profit. I don't know if you guys ever resell those. I've only found one. They are tough to find. I don't know, LA Thrifter, man. Some of these fools be finding 20 of them at one time. I've never gotten lucky like that. All right, I checked in the Jersey area. Checked for jerseys. Didn't find nothing, so yeah, we're gonna have to call it a day, you guys. All right, we just came from that Marshalls. That Marshalls right there. Totally looks like it came out of the Nike outlet, but yeah, we came out of that Marshalls outlet. There actually was some decent stuff at that Marshalls, man. That Ross is just terrible, man. I'm gonna stop fucking with that Ross. I'm gonna stop wasting your guys' time going to that Ross. But yeah, that Marshalls, man, they had some heat, you guys. They had those marquee Boost. They also had them a couple of NMDs. They had some decent Adidas stuff there, you guys. So yeah, but yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead check out all my videos, I primarily go to the Nike outlets, but I do check out some retail shops. Yeah, later today, I'm actually gonna go to the mall, check out, I wanna check out them Jordan 9, the reds, man. The red patent reds, man. I want to check those out. So yeah. So I primarily go to a bunch of stores, check out shoes, talk to you guys about shoes, try to get some deals. If I find any crazy deals, I'll throw them online, resell. But that's not my primary thing. I just like to buy shoes, just kind of building my collection up and whatnot, and just take you guys on the journey with me. But yeah, go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe, like, make sure you check out all them other videos, and yeah, see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.